The border fork can help you aerate and separate your soil in narrower borders, raised beds or larger containers. It enables you to get in to smaller spaces, and because it is smaller itself, whilst being able to do the same sort of things as the bigger digging fork can do, this can help you complete some of those additional gardening jobs. It's great for working in confined spaces, especially between plants that are already growing in the garden that the bigger one would be too cumbersome to do. But it can also help you carry out some essential jobs like weeding or cultivating. Especially when you want to avoid plants that are already in there, you can be much more precise to get around because of its smaller size. By filtering through the soil with a garden fork, the smaller spaces between the tines allow you to fork and lift whole plants, such as weeds, especially stubborn ones, from your borders and remove them, not only the weed itself, but all the roots of the weed as well, so it doesn't come back. And the same reason they can be used to help you tease your root crops, like potatoes. Look at these here. You know, it makes it easier to get down and lift up rather than the big fork on its own. And don't forget your compost heap as well. You know, turning compost is pretty good, and a fork gets in there, allowing you to lift it up, especially if it's gone a little bit compacted. And that way, if you're turning your compost on a regular basis, you're allowing more air to be able to get in and help the bacteria and fungus break down the process, so you can got plenty of fresh compost to use in your garden. For more great information on how you can use garden tools to improve your gardening techniques and to find your nearest stockist, just follow the link below.